Saturday afternoon, and I'm out on the by the pond overlooking the golf course. You can see the golfers over there. And just take a little span around here. There's the house up there, so sitting down on the deck. It's really pretty out here today. We've got I guess last week we discovered that we have zooming in on one here. We've got about 25 new anhinga out here, baby ones that are now doing pretty well. But last week they were out here right on the edge of the pond with their parents, and the parents were slowly getting them used to the water by pushing them in. So they seem to all have done really well and catching some fish. We do have fish in here for them. The gray anhinga that we've got still isn't catching many fish. Oh, I just spotted this up in the tree. I didn't see her before. Anyway, she's up there drying her wings out. When they go in the lake, they usually just get on a branch. This one is actually up on the trunk of the tree, drying her wings out. They really don't fly that much. So once they've been in the water, they will get out on a branch or something like that to spread their wings out to dry. This one probably that's what it was doing a few minutes ago, and now it's all dried out. So they'll sit on the branches. And the most notable part about today is over here again, going back to where the golfers are, up on the ridge there. I'll pan down here and you can see the golfers are up here playing. But I'll pan right down the bank here, and they're not even aware that we have Miss Priss down here. It's our local resident gator. See if I can zoom in without it getting fuzzy. Probably not, but you can see it's a fairly good sized one. This one we call Notch because there's a big notch out of the back of the tail there. So this one's been here pretty much ever since we have 6 years ago. And I'll pan out here a little bit. You can see there's kind of a drop off there by where the golfers play, and it's a little bank, and she likes to lay over there. And the golfers are none the wary of the fact that she literally is right there, and they don't even know it. Anyway, they don't bother anybody, nobody bothers them. But anyway, I took a picture of the golfers and the gator one day from over here on the bank, and took it over to the pro shop so they could put it on the wall over there so the golfers can see how close they are to Mother Nature's creatures. Signing off. Have a great day.